Hey guys, welcome back to Candy Beauty. So I figured I would take you into Dollar Tree with me. I've been shopping here a lot. I do like to go here from time to time instead of TJ Maxx and Marshalls. We would switch it up today. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell so you can be notified of all new upcoming videos. And let's take a look at all the holiday finds in here. I'm like so amazed. They have so much cute stuff right now. Lots of holiday stuff, and then they have these LA Colors plump glosses in the little makeup section. I do want to try these. That looks really kind of almost like the NYX ones that recently came out, so that's kind of interesting. They have a couple of different colors of these. It's really hit or miss though as far as like beauty stuff, but this palette is kind of neat. This is called Moody Neutrals. I've never heard of that. There's a couple of those in different shades and just like a lot of LA Color stuff, Aoni stuff. I feel like mostly I've been coming here for like holiday gift wrap and everything and just like, you know, tape and that sort of stuff, but sometimes I do find really good stuff in the beauty aisle. They have some brushes, these cute little brush holders, and then this brush kind of looks like it might be good quality. I don't know the brand, but it looks like a decent brush. Okay, I look at these cute wrapping papers they have. I think are these Bratz? Is this a Bratz one? Let's take an Elfie. How cute is that? They have all sorts of good stuff. They have Barbie gift wrap. Ooh, I might have to grab this. That is so cute. Ooh, and then like Disney princesses, Ariel. There's a couple different like Ariel ones. That's cute too. These are not even like the mark, like these rolls of wrapping paper, I did just double check, are $1.25. Oh, a little Looney Tunes one, 20 square feet. I mean, honestly, I don't know. I haven't seen these kind of character wrapping papers anywhere else. We have Minnie Mouse. How cute is that? What is this? Oh, is this like Baby Shark or something? Oh, that's so cute. Okay, more Disney. I think this is Enchanto, or okay, Minions. It looks like there's so much good wrap. Like, oh, Avengers. That's cool. I mean, you don't get a ton of paper. What is this? More Disney, I think. You don't get a ton of paper, but honestly, $1.25, like, how can you go wrong? Even if you have to buy, like, 2 or 3 rolls. Oh, look at this. Beauty and the Beast, Cinderella. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? I'm definitely going to have to grab one of those. That is so pretty. I love... Oh, Pocahontas is on here. Oh, look at that. We have Daffy Duck and Mickey Mouse. Like all sorts of... I can't even believe they have all of this here. More Looney Tunes wrapping paper. This is like crazy, the amount of wrapping paper. Rugrats! Oh my gosh, that's so cute! Oh, I love the Rugrats. Okay, I think this is Bratz. I'm not sure. If you guys know, let me know in the comments below. Spider-Man, it looks like. Yep, Spider-Man. I think it's just Spider-Man. What is this? Alice in Wonderland. Oh, all sorts of Disney characters. Pluto. Stitch. Winnie the Pooh, it looks like. I think Bambi was in there too. Oh, this is, what is it? Buzz Lightyear and like all sorts of different Disney characters, it looks like. From a Toy Story. Okay. So I think these are, what are these? Are these Christmas ornaments? Are they just, oh, like maybe for train tracks, like little miniatures? Yeah, I think they're like little toys to go, like if you have a train track for your Christmas tree. We have like little trucks with Christmas trees, and then some more like little toy miniature things, cobblestone corners miniatures. I wonder if it's all for like a train track. Lots of decorative stuff, like this little jingle bell thing is cute. I would definitely put that on my door. Lots of bows. Ooh, I need to grab some of these bows. Oh, a little mat, a little doormat, home for the holidays. DIY ornaments, so basically like you can put stuff inside of them or paint the outside. Lots of those. We have the gift card box holders. Tons of different stuff. Look at all the cute stockings they have. They have like a Batman stocking. There's a Spider-Man one. We have Mickey Mouse stockings. These are really cute, especially for younger children. I'm not sure what that little piggy one is, but that's cute too. And then obviously like regular adultish types of stockings too. Ooh, what are these? Scents. I think this is a candle. Yeah, bourbon vanilla. Ooh, that smells good. And all of this stuff so far has only been $1.25, which is like crazy. We have to's and froms, little like wine bottle carrier holder gift bags, it looks like. And then they have like the clear like basket gift bags as well. All sorts of different to's and froms. Then there's like the fabric, like stocking sort of gifty bag things. Okay, here's the ornaments. They do have some, you know what I like to do is like if I'm making a present look really pretty, like I'll grab some like ornaments from the dollar store and I'll, you know, put them in the ribbon and like really zhuzh them up and like make them look like really nice presents. I used to volunteer at the malls and for like the different associations and do like professional wrapping paper where people would pay and then the money would go to the association. So like I'm like a pro wrapper, although my skills have kind of gotten like lazy over time, but I still try to do a good job. Depends on the year. Like this year has kind of like been like a blah kind of holiday so far, but maybe it'll get better as we get closer. But yeah, just lots of like cute, these are like little light up Santa things. Let me see if I can. Light and sound Santas, and then they have snowmen too. Trying to get it to work. And then they have a whole aisle of like all of this sort of holiday candy. They have all sorts of different types of like Fruity Pebbles and Jello and Warheads candy canes, all sorts of different candy canes. And then I don't know what those are. Like the typical Christmas chocolate candies. Those candy canes look really good. Oh, and these. Oh, look at this. It's like a little reindeer in Santa where they put it in their mouth and the other side is a lollipop. That's cute. I might have to get one of these for my nephew. That's so cute. Warheads, candy canes. Yeah, that's so cute. And then the traditional candy canes, of course. We have like little headbands with reindeer, antlers, all sorts of decorative stuff. There's holiday ice cube holders, little pet calendars, or what is that? I think it's like a notebook or pet calendars. So if you know somebody that's a pet lover, that would be like a good gift or good stocking stuffer. Table covers, little holiday dish towels, which honestly I always like to get like the pot holders. They have really pretty like pot holders and kitchen towels, and honestly, who doesn't love those? Like those are so perfect as like a holiday gift. And yeah, so anyways, I'm just trying to get the top of the aisle here. They have the cookie tins. Trying to show you, but my camera is not cooperating. Oh boy. Okay, let's try to get back. Oh my goodness, sorry. They have the little candy canes with the M&Ms in them and lots of Scotch tape. This is also a good place to get tape. I grabbed some rolls of toilet paper. I grabbed some rolls of wrapping paper. They also have gift cards as well. I haven't gotten any gift cards here, but they have all sorts of gift cards. So if you're in a jam, I know they're one of the few places that was open like on Thanksgiving, at least my store was. They have all sorts of stuff. They also have like a $3 section and a $5 section where they have like a little bit more expensive stuff. They have like cozy throws and just all sorts of cute stuff. So anyways, if you haven't already, make sure you don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell. I will maybe do these like, during the holiday time. I don't find a lot of new stuff here, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.